everyone and welcome back to our scrapbooking series. Today we will use our scrapbooks to learn some pet vocabulary. But what is a pet? A pet is an animal that you can keep at home. So, are you ready to get started? Yes! Let's learn some pet vocabulary.
Now create the title Pets, then cut this and add it to your scrapbook. I'm also adding some pictures of different pets to my title section. Why is having pets good for kids? 1. Caring for pets teaches you to be responsible. 2. Children with pets show improved social skills and confidence. 3. Makes children feel loved and helps reduce feelings of sadness. Now let's create a word cloud with different pet vocabulary. Try to think of as many as possible. For example, rabbit, dog, cat, snake, fish, turtle, frog, bird, hamster, etc. Now on 2 different color paper, write I like and I don't like. Then cut this and add it to your scrapbook. Now cut up some pictures of different pets. Add the pictures of the pets that you like to the I like section and the pictures of the pets that you don't like to the I don't like section. Now get creative and decorate.
Now we've learned some pet vocabulary. What's your favorite pet? Let me know in the comment section. Well, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to join me next week for some more scrapbooking fun. Goodbye!